Welcome back to the Golf Cart Garage. Today on GCG TV, we're taking a quick look at installing MadJax fender flares on our EZGO RXV golf cart. These 3-inch flare sets are also available for major models from Club Car and Yamaha. You may not think you need them, but they're kind of like eyebrows. Once you've seen your cart with them, it would look silly without them. They help to prevent a moving cart from throwing gravel, dirt, or other debris picked up from the terrain. The installation here is as simple as dry fit placement of the flares, marking the holes, drilling pilot holes, and attaching the flares with plastic rivets or stainless steel hardware. Just like the other MadJax parts that we've installed, we found excellent packaging, quality product, and a great result. Maybe it's not enough pieces of flare to work at tchotchkes, but it is a pleasing aesthetic upgrade, especially for carts like this one with the large exposed tire clearance after a lift kit. We want to help with your next project too, so stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call at 1-800-401-2934 so we can help show you around the garage. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCG TV.